Hello everyone, Vaibhav Verma this side, and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about maintenance under section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Maintenance is given under chapter 9 of the Criminal Procedure Code, which deals with the provision of maintenance of wives, parents and children. Maintenance in general meaning is keeping something in good condition. Maintenance in legal meaning is money that someone must pay regular to a former wife, husband or partner, especially when they have had children together. It is the duty of every person to maintain his wife, children or and aged parents who are not able to live on their own. This provision does not make any distinction between person belonging to different religion or caste. It has no relation to the personal laws of the party. Now let's go further. Let's see who can claim and get maintenance. Section 125 subclause 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code stated that wife from his husband can claim the maintenance. Minor child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, from his father can claim. Minor child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, physical or with physical or mental abnormality, from his father or mother, from his son or daughter. Now let's discuss the one by one criteria who can entitled to claim maintenance. Number 1, wife. A wife can claim maintenance from her husband in following conditions. If she is divorced by her husband or obtain a divorce from her husband and she has not married again, she is not able to maintain herself, then she is able to claim maintenance from her husband under section 125 of the CRPC. Now coming to a question whether a Muslim woman can claim a maintenance, but after a case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Sahabano Begum, court held that even a Muslim wife can also claim maintenance under CRPC, though they have a separate law or act for them. While seeing the condition in which wife can entitle to claim the maintenance, we have seen a point where she is unable to maintain herself. Here, unable to maintain herself does not mean that she should be absolutely destitute and should be live in the street or should beg, etc. Rather it means that she has been deserted while living with her husband and would not take within itself thereafter. It also means the efforts the wife take to also maintain herself or also survive herself somehow after desertion. Let's go further and see where in such cases wife cannot entitle to claim the maintenance from husband. Number 1, wife is living in adultery or refuses to live with husband without any valid reason or living separately by mutual consent. In case of wife is living in adultery, she is not entitled to claim the maintenance from her husband, and whether she has been they have been living separately by mutual consent, she is not in that case also she is not entitled to claim the maintenance, and she refuses to live with a husband without any valid reason. In that case also she is not entitled to claim the maintenance from her husband. Now we are talking about wife, but what does actually mean a wife? Wife means a legally married woman. The legality of marriage would be governed by the personal law applicable to the parties. If she is a Hindu wife, then the Hindu law applicable to them. If she is a Muslim law applicable to them, as per so. Now let's move further to the second category who can entitled to claim the maintenance under section 125 of the CRPC, that is legitimate or illegitimate minor child. Section 125 subclause 1 subclause C B define the terms minor child, which includes son or daughter Uh, Here, minor means a person who is under the provision of Section 3 of the Indian Majority Act is deemed not to have attained his majority, that is, above the age of 18 years. A person is entitled, whether legitimate or illegitimate, to get maintenance under Section 125 of CRPC until he gets his majority. Now coming to a subtopic 2, that is daughter. If minor daughter, legitimate or illegitimate, is unmarried, then she is entitled to get maintenance from her father. If such minor daughter is married, then she is also entitled to get maintenance from his father, but the magistrate has to be satisfied that her husband has not essential and sufficient means for maintenance of his minor wife. In simple terms, minor daughter who is married can be entitled to claim the maintenance from her father until she get the age of majority. In case where her husband is not in sufficient stage to maintain himself or along with her, so minor daughter can entitled to claim in also from her father in that scenario. A major child who attained the age of majority is entitled to claim the maintenance. The answer is yes. A major child who attained the age of majority can entitled to claim the maintenance only if he is abnormal, that is, he is mentally or physically incapable to do the things. Then he can claim the maintenance from his father on the ground of abnormality. Let's move to the third category of persons who can entitled to claim the maintenance, that is father or mother. Every father and mother is entitled to claim the maintenance from their respective children, whether it is one or two or more. 125 subclause 1 subclause D of the CRPC stated that any person having sufficient means neglect or refuse to maintain his father or mother who needs to maintain himself or herself, then the magistrate of first class may order such person to make a monthly allowance for maintenance for his father or mother. Who can claim the maintenance under the head of father or mother? Now, natural father and natural mother can claim maintenance, which is so obvious. But can a stepmother or stepfather or adoptive mother can entitled to claim the maintenance? The answer is yes, because the term includes adoptive mother. She can claim maintenance from her adoptive son. Father can claim maintenance. It is a statutory obligation. This claim cannot be defeated by pleading that the father failed to fulfill his parental obligation. Whether a father failed to fulfill a parental obligation, he can also entitled to claim the maintenance, because it is a statutory obligation to the respective children, to their respective children, who has to maintain their father or mother when they attain the seniority age, or we can say that the age. Now the question is, can a childless stepmother can claim maintenance? The answer is yes, she can claim maintenance from her stepson. Whether she is widow or her husband is living, or he is not capable of living, but he is not capable of supporting or maintaining her. But if she has a natural, then she can claim maintenance from her stepson. But in a case if she has natural born son or daughter and her husband is alive and capable of earning, then she cannot claim maintenance from her stepson. There is one important thing. In this scenario, children must have sufficient means to maintain their parents, and yet they refuses or neglect to maintain the father or mother. In such scenario, father and mother can claim maintenance from their respective children. But if there are two or more children, in this case, then the parent may seek the remedy against anyone or more of them at a certain place or places where they live. Section 125 subclause 1 of the CRPC allows only a husband or a father or a son or a daughter to pay the maintenance to the respective person, namely wife, child, father or mother. This section does not contemplate the mother, especially the mother, to pay maintenance to father or son and daughter. Thank you.